Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kiwi. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today we are going to be testing out some Dollar Tree makeup. So I put up a really huge Dollar Tree haul a couple of days ago, and I told you guys in that video that I was going to test out all of the makeup in a different video. So that's what we did today. We did some swatches. As you guys can see, I still have some left over, and let's just say we had a time with this video. Okay, so definitely check out the video to see some of the products that I ended up liking. We created this whole entire full face look here, from moisturizer down to lashes, lips, everything from Dollar Tree. So yeah, so definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and without further ado, subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and jump into this Dollar Tree video. Start with a moisturizer. If you guys watched the haul, if you haven't, I'll link it in the card so you guys can go and check it out, because it was a big haul and I wanted to share all of that with you guys. And I did pick up a lot of goodies. I picked up a couple of different moisturizers, and the one that I want to try out today is from Bolero. This is their smoothing facial gel hydrator and cucumber and aloe, and I did get the same one in watermelon as well, but I heard that these are really good and that they are really comparable to the Neutrogena one. I used the Neutrogena one for years before I started using the Clinique moisturizing lotion, and I love that one. So we're gonna see if this one is just as good. Okay, finally, after 10 minutes, like, no, it wasn't 10 minutes, but it's been a minute. I can never open stuff right. Smell it a little bit, and it does kind of smell like cucumber. And it is a gel consistency. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a gel consistency. So I just put out that much. I hope that wasn't too much. And we're just going to moisturize my face. I haven't moisturized my face at all today. Well, since getting dressed. It feels so good on the skin. Like, my skin felt so dry, and it really feels so good. Like, I can feel it just moisturizing my skin right now. And it smells really good. It does smell like cucumbers. It smells really good. I like it. I do. And it's not sticky. Next, I want to try this lip scrub. I told you guys, I opened this up in that haul, you guys probably remember. But this is their LA Colors lip scrub, and it's in the shade Fresh Squeeze. And my lips are like mad ashy. But a lot of people were comparing this to the e.l.f. lip scrub. So we're going to try it out. It smells just like oranges. So it smells just like oranges. It does have like those little beads and stuff in it, and I'm pretty sure you have to wipe this off. Oh, it's sugar. Okay, it's sugar. But so far, while I have it on my lips, I can still feel the sugar in here. It's not like uncomfortable or anything like that, and I feel like my lips are getting moisturized the longer I leave it on. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe it off with some tissue. And to be honest, like, my lips feel super soft. So I do like that scrub, and it does remind me a lot of the e.l.f. one. So pretty decent scrub. Okay, these are my lips afterwards. So versus how ashy they were before, now they look a lot better. So I do like that scrub. I did go back to the Dollar Tree. I think I mentioned that earlier in the intro, but I did go back to the Dollar Tree to get just a few more things, because I wanted to have enough stuff to do like a full face. And then I came across some stuff that I've never seen at Dollar Tree or that I've never tried. So yeah, but this is the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse, and I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, what? Revlon at the Dollar Tree? So I got it in soft brown. I'm hoping that this is not too light, and believe it or not, I've never tried this before. I know this has been out for years, but I've honestly never have tried it, and I've never seen it at my Dollar Tree either. So they did have like those little color glitter looking things, like the glitter pigments, but I didn't like those when they were in regular stores, so I didn't pick it up in the Dollar Tree. But this is just what it looks like here. This is the brow mousse, And okay, and so this is just what it looks like here. I'm gonna read the back because I've never tried this before. So you pretty much just twist it up and then brush it over. So I guess you twist the product up and then you brush it over your brows. So I don't actually know if I'm gonna start seeing anything or... Okay, so you just start seeing product. Okay, you see? Okay, you just start seeing product. So I hope I didn't do it too much. And then just brush it over the brows. So let's see. Okay, this might have been a fail. I don't know if it's the color. I don't know if it's the product. But I like my brows darker than this. So for one, I think it might have been the color. And then for two, I honestly don't think I like this because I can't really control where I'm putting the product. That's about as good as we probably gonna get that. So yeah, let's clean it up. I picked up this concealer, and this was the one of the ones that I went back and picked up. This is the concealer Buildable Coverage from LA Colors, and I got it in the color beige. A lot of stuff that I picked up, I'm not even sure if it's gonna be the right color. It's like made hard to open. Okay, and then this is what the concealer looks like here. And we're gonna use the same concealer on our face too, but we're just gonna clean up our brows. Ooh, I do not like the smell. Okay, so they actually are not looking too bad once we concealed them and everything, but I mean, hey, it's $1. You can't really beat that. So go ahead and use the same concealer to conceal my eyes because I didn't get an eyeshadow primer. So for the eyes, we have some fun eyes. So I saw this was new. This is the LA Colors Morning Glow eyeshadow palette. So I thought these colors are really pretty in here. Y'all know me, I'm a neutrals girl, so without the packaging, this is just what the palettes look like. Alright, so these are just swatches of all of the shadows. Some of them are super pigmented and really nice, like the shimmery shadows look really nice, and but some of them just don't really show up. So but we're gonna try it out anyway. I always pick up these LA Colors crease brushes every time I go to the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go in with this lighter shade right here in the middle. Well, this first shade right here. I know it's not really gonna do much of anything because it was one of the ones that literally didn't even show up on me. Okay, so I will say that the shadow itself is not like blotchy or anything. It's just, it's not showing up as much as I want it to. Like, I can see it in person and it's kind of like just taking away the color of the concealer in my eyes, and it's kind of the same color as my skin. So I guess that's good in a way. It's like bronzy shade right here, and we're just gonna put this all over the lid. This eyeshadow is really pretty. I just hate the fact that the brown is not as dark as I would like it to be. This liquid eyeshadow right here, also from LA Colors. I swear this is $1, y'all, but everything I picked up is LA Colors. This is their liquid eyeshadow, and it's a metallic glowing eyes eyeshadow, and it's in the color Cheers. I don't know, I like it, but I feel like it picked up my eyeshadow a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it picked up my eyeshadow a little bit. Lighter shade right here. And I'm just going to put this as my brow bone highlight. And actually, I'm going to mix it with this one right here. So we're going to just do them two. And just use that as my brow bone highlight. I honestly felt like I've done better looks from the Dollar Tree before. Got a bunch of eyeliners to try out, liquid eyeliners. This one from Hard Candy. This is the Sleek and Gorgeous, wait, is that what this is? Oh, Stroke of Gorgeous ultra fine tip precision application, 12-hour smudge proof felt tip eyeliner, and I have it in the shade in the navy. It isn't a new one either. This is the liquid eyeliner from LA Colors. I got it in brown. Then we have the LA Colors metallic liquid eyeliner. We have a couple of the metallic ones. So this one is in metallic gold, like really pretty in gold. Metallic rose gold, correct? Desert Flowers, which is from their festival collection. Ooh, this is pretty too. I mean, I feel like it's not doing it justice on the camera. It is so pretty. And then this is the LA Colors eye marker. Now, how is this one darker than the hard candy one? You see that? This is the hard candy and this is the LA Colors, but the LA Colors is darker than the hard candy one. This one is supposed to be navy and this one is just supposed to be blue. That don't make sense. Make it make sense. Those eyeliners look like that. This one here to put in the waterline from Maybelline. This is the Long Lasting Drama Light Liner in the shade Shiny Bronze. We're going to come back to the eyeliner because I can't decide which one I want to put on right now. Now, I will admit that I've tried this primer out before. I tried out the clear one, which is the white one. I didn't really care for it that much. I've had better primers. So I picked up the yellow one, which is supposed to correct dullness. This is what that looks like. And applicator, like they're like a lip gloss applicator kind of somewhat, because it's like once I start rubbing it in, I feel like it's gonna leave a white cast, but once I like completely rub it in, I don't feel like that anymore. So maybe I just need to have patience and see where we can go from there. Okay, so for foundation, I have this LA Colors matte foundation. I only saw one shade of this foundation in Warm Honey in my store, but I know that they have a lot of different shades. I picked up two of these e.l.f. Beautifully Bare brushes, but we're just going to use one today. Kind of the same applicator as the primer. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be it. This don't look like it's gonna be... Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, no, that's not it. This is not it. Okay, I don't like the smell. I'm not really getting matte. It kind of has like a little sheen to it. I don't know. There's a lot going on with this foundation. I just don't try to make it work, and then we just So we're gonna try this concealer, Lord. I feel like it's getting worse and worse. Look at it. I picked up these Eco Tools Perfecting Color Perfecting Minis. Okay, so these are the finishing powders that I picked up. I have a loose powder here in the shade Medium Deep, and then I have two of the finishing powders, one in tan and one in medium. So we're gonna try these out today. I'm just gonna dust out some here. This powder itself is not bad for it to be $1. The powder works really nice and it's very matte, and it gives like a flawless like appearance, like blurred look to the skin. So I will say that I do like this powder. Okay, tan might not be that bad. Tan might work. Yeah, definitely think tan will work. It's actually not that bad once I put the powder on. So the powder is definitely working. Both of the powders definitely brought this look back to life. So we have blush and bronzer here from Hard Candy. This is in the shade Matte Made in Heaven. It's a matte blush and bronzer duo. And this is what it looks like. I definitely know that this bronzer is going to be too light. I already know that. Oh god. Okay, the blush is kind of cute. I will say that the blush is kind of cute, but so I picked up this Loose Face and Body shimmer, shine like a star in the shade Gold Dust. So I'll swatch it really quick. This is what this one looks like. I've tried this highlighter right here before in the like rose gold looking shade, so I know that I like this one. Well, I know I like that shade. So this is what this one looks like. Again, it's in the shade Shine Bright. So really pretty. This is the shimmer right here in the shade Gold Dust. Ooh, okay. This is the Shine Dust one. I got glitter everywhere because of this. This is definitely not something that you want to get if you're somebody who doesn't like glitter. And I'm going to go on top of it with this one here. Blend it out. Let's go ahead and move back to the eyes, and then we'll do the lips, and then we will be done with this video because y'all, I am having a time right now. Alright, so again, this is the LA Colors eye marker in the shade blue. So that's what I used on my eyes. Actually, it's really pretty. It's giving me like a navy blue vibe. I finally found the lashes that everybody and their mom was talking about. So these are 3D Faux Mink lashes from the Dollar Tree, guys. I only saw these 4 styles, so I only picked up these. But I have the XL Wispy Full Dramatic, which looks like that. I have the Natural Light Wispy. And I have the Natural Light Doll. And these are the XL Wispy Dramatic, which are fire. I was like, these look like they're going to be pretty. So I'm going to wear these today. And hopefully I like them. And if I do like them, I'm going back to the Dollar Tree and stocking up. Because $1, you cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. I saw this one girl. She had like a whole basket full of them. And I'm looking like, oh my god, did you leave any in the store for anybody? This is what the lashes looks like here. Really pretty. Wow, I was not expecting this with these lashes at all. I did get a mascara because, like I said, I wanted to get enough things to make a full face. So this is just a black mascara from LA Colors. It's like an hour later, but I'm back. But we have a lot of lip products to swatch, so we're gonna go ahead and go through this really quick. So let's start with lip liners. I got some from Wet n Wild, so I have 3 shades here. I got Never Pedal Down, Don't Be a Prune, and I got the Juice. So I'm gonna swatch out 3 of these. I got the Juice. So those are the 3 Wet n Wild. Picked up 2 of the LA Colors auto liners. It's Peachy Feels. Okay, it's really light. Y'all probably can't even see. It's really like a peach color, and like I said, you guys probably can't even see it, but it's somewhere in this area. This one is Perfect. Then I picked up this one from Remy Rose, and this is probably gonna be the one that I wear today. This is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Carmen. You got 2 of the Velvet Lipsticks. Velvet Lip Mousse, whipped in Souffle. That's Souffle. It's really pretty. Which is like an orangey red. It's pretty for the summertime. Actually, I think I'm gonna do Don't Be a Prune lip liner. And then we're gonna do this Remy Rose one, Carmen. Then the last thing that I have here is the setting spray. This is from LA Colors, and it is a set your makeup on the go. Like, look at how little this is. So I just thought this was a cute little thing. So we're gonna try it out today. It's little, but it got a lot of spray to it. Goodness. It really, ooh. Okay. This lipstick dries down super fast. Like, it's already dry. But this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know some of you guys' favorite Dollar Tree products from this haul. My favorites were, definitely love the cucumber hydrator, and I definitely love the lashes. So I would definitely try the lashes out again. So those are just some of my favorites from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.